Thought I'd give a little shout out to the BISSELL ICON stick vac because look at this. I vacuum very, very frequently, and to be honest, I've been on holiday, so I haven't vacuumed for a few days. But that is amazing. I mean, that's mostly dog hair, but you can see all this little fine grit and dust that it manages to pull out of the carpet. It's cool. And to empty, you just slide this up, which I love because that keeps the kind of shroud clean. And then you just dump that out. Look at that grit from goodness knows where. Tap that out. And that's like half a dog. I don't even know where this stuff comes from, to be honest. Then you just pop it back in, clip it back on, and away you go. And you can attach it to your little pole, do the carpet, do the floor. It's great. But yeah, that stuff, I just don't even know where it comes from. I mean, I know where it comes from. It comes from you, doesn't it? You little shedder.